One of the scaled versions of the sit-up we do at Wolf Brigade is called the rocking chair. I'm going to demonstrate it with a med ball. You can do it with a kettlebell, a dumbbell, or just body weight. As you can see, you're going into a squat, rolling onto your back, and using the leverage in your core and off the back of your head to come back to standing. Ends up being a great core exercise and a nice feet together squat at the end of the motion. Something else you want to think about is pushing whatever weight you have as far away from you as possible to help you stand back up.